Restaurant Alfredo costs $20 a plate. This version feeds a family for a fraction of that. This recipe comes straight from our cookbook bundle, set in our Etsy shop. If you're interested, I left you a link to the books as well as the kitchen aids we used in this video below in the description. Here's what you need. Chicken breast, fresh garlic, butter, heavy cream, parmesan, fettuccine, salt and pepper. That's it. No complicated steps. Start by searing the chicken in a large deep sauté pan. You want a golden crust, that's where flavor builds. Cook through, then remove and set aside. In the same pan, melt butter and saute the garlic. Pour in the cream and let it gently simmer. This is why we use a deep pan. The higher sides control splatter and make stirring easier. Add the cooked pasta directly into the sauce. Toss to coat, slice the chicken and return it to the pan. Finish with freshly grated Parmesan. This is exactly how it's laid out in our cookbook. Simple steps, minimal ingredients, and meals you can repeat without thinking. This feeds for easily. No fancy tricks. Just real food that tastes like you spent hours making it. If you want to see the exact kitchen tools we use for these recipes, they're listed on our household guide page. Nothing complicated, just practical tools that actually make cooking easier. If you found this video helpful, grab our recipe book on Etsy and subscribe for more. Planning is what makes groceries affordable.